First time UPSC tuitions only in Nirmal IAS Institute, Chaitanyapuri. Call chesi ippude join avvandi.
Technological advancement and equitable progress. A model state that stands as a beacon of development and prosperity. Honoring Telangana's identity and legacy. Temple tourism, tribal tourism, wellness tourism, offering visitors a unique blend of spirituality, history, and natural beauty. By partnering with private stakeholders and encouraging community-led tourism initiatives, we will ensure that Telangana becomes a vibrant and sustainable tourism hub, conducting a comprehensive socio-economic, education, employment, political and caste survey across the state. This groundbreaking initiative is a crucial step, is 500 per quintal for Sanakaram paddy, amounting to 1,206.44 crore has been released to farmers to ensure fair pricing and income security for farmers who produce the varieties of. To ensure financial security, my government has implemented a rupees 2 lakh crop loan waiver benefiting 25.35 lakh farmers, amounting to 20,616.89 crore. This is not assistance. It is the government of Telangana resolve, led by the young and dynamic Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, is unshakable. Every policy, every initiative, every policy, every initiative and every reform in this is aimed at creating opportunities, empowering people and driving inclusive growth. The vision is clear, the direction is set, and the momentum is unstoppable. The Telangana of today is a state of possibilities, of growth, of empowerment. The Telangana of tomorrow will be even greater, a state that leads it. A total of 566 Raitu Vedikas have been established, equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual media. The Raitu Nestam initiative is now fully operational in all 532 rural mandals, providing a dynamic platform for farmers, scientists and administrators to engage in and unlocking new opportunities. The Mahalakshmi scheme has been a game changer, providing 149.63 crore free bus trips for women, saving them 5005.95 crore in travel costs. This